another foreign coach. All in all, Lian tells me it's collegiate experience that she's bringing with her here in the pros. And if that was her production yesterday alone, wouldn't it be exciting to see what she cooks up in her pro career, Miguel and Mela?
That's right. Good report there by Jana. You know, two things that I want to discuss is tune-up. Diba? It all boils down to preparation, Mela. It doesn't mean that you're a collegiate player na you're gonna settle, diba? So as you see here, I'm sure Lian putting in the work, especially in the off-season, being in the league for 3 weeks, and it's already paid off for her.
But right now, with all those preparation, draws back from their high school days in UST.
12 points yesterday for Carino. Too much. Too much to handle.
Ang problema lang dito, back row si Maggie. Mahirap i-recover yung second ball na yon. Two on the side of next lead. Maganda yung nagiging saluhan system nila. Yesterday, it was Kiara who finished what EJ Carino started. And then ngayon, yan naman ng pagsalo na ginagawa ni EJ to Kiara.
Carino, underhand set. Good job. Well read.
Doing what they do best. And that is getting those skill blocks. Isa Molde. More balanced yung laruan. Because if the likes of Agoncania gets to replicate those skill blocks over and over, then the momentum will clearly shift to the other side. And that's exactly what's happening here. Cutting the lead to just one.
Good attack there from Molde.
Ganda.
Let's see what Jaja runs. Back set to Fernandez. Rolls it over and succeeds.
Hindi mo matansya talaga yung palo ni Lian de Guzman. Talagang may chance maka-facial ito.
Molde will push this one. Good recovery by Makaslang. Perventilla off the hands of the blockers. Lian, drop ball. Huegos is there. Molde down the line.
Ulit-ulit na tayo ng sinasabi pero ang lakas niya talaga pumalo. But speaking of power, here comes Isa Molde. She can definitely pile up more points for Choco Mucho and we know she's very capable.
Fans trying to rally. Tsaka yung depensa ni Dina, Mela, hindi lang siya basta angat eh.
Oo.
Di ba?
Pinipwestohan niya talaga. And yung basa.
Good. Good read of the defense there by Isa Molde. Oh, the serve. Jaja to Atienza. Wong goes to Molde. Out. That's check ball. Take a look at that. Off the hands of Jaja.
Lamang talaga si Nexted and Choco Mucho is playing catch-up. But definitely, they've been displaying good ways here with the leadership of Isa Molde who continues. It's not the most productive rotation for her. Parang lahat ng pinalo niya puntos eh.
Talent showcase yung nangyayari nila.
Kilala sa mga power hitters dito sa PBL.
Jaja activating her middles. Off the hands of the blockers. Ball is still alive. Oh! Good save by Bia. Tubino down the line. Perventilla was there. Lian. Check!
What an adjustment by Coach Dante. Agoncania, syempre getting that kill block along with Isa Molde. Or that was purely Molde, in fact. This is the first time she blocked on that possession.